Come wrapping season, operators look for no-nonsense attachments for handling their precious profits. Once the hay has been cut, dried, and baled, you don't need your operation slowed down by an attachment. Introducing the BG4000 Round Bale Grapple from HLA Attachments, the no-piercing solution for handling wrapped bales. Designed for gentle handling of heavy wrap silage bales, the BG4000 Round Bale Grapple effortlessly clasps around any round bale 5 foot in diameter for 2 complete touch points on every bale handled. The BG4000 is built solid for any job and can be easily attached to any front end loader in seconds for operators looking for no-nonsense hookup and operation. The BG4000 Round Bale Grapple consists of 5 main components: the mount plate, the hose kit, 2 locking pins, 8-inch stroke implement cylinder, and lastly the grapple arms. The BG4000 Round Bale Grapple offers unrivaled handling precision from a number of heights and angles, from ground pickup to high stacking or loading. For even greater precision, each of the BG4000 arms can be locked into place, providing the operator with a static arm he can slide in between bales for minimum risk of damaging the plastic or surrounding bales, making it ideal for closely stacking bales for storage or transport. Handle your profits with greater precision this year with the BG4000 Round Bale Grapple from HLA Attachments.